Absolutely, yes. Continuous positive airway pressure, the so-called the medical gold standard therapy of sleep apnea, was prevalent in our discipline since 1981. The main challenge of this CPAP machine was non-adherence and lack of acceptance. There are plenty of minimally invasive, microsurgical, tailor-made surgical options are there, those who are non-compliant to CPAP device. So this surgery has basically revolutionized our sleep apnea management, starting from nose surgery, different target-oriented palatal surgeries, even jaw correcting surgeries, forwarding the jaw, forwarding the mandible, correction of the palate, tongue base reduction, any kind of, apart from the age-old nasal surgeries. So reducing the block, resulting in sleep apnea correction.